The refreshed 2021 Hyundai i30N arrives wearing a sharper look and receiving some technical updates. Power from the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine remains at 247 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque for the standard model. The performance package takes the output to 276 horsepower and 289 foot-pounds of torque, which is 5 horsepower and 29 foot-pounds of torque more than before. This boost lets the model with the performance package hit 62 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds, which is 0.2 seconds quicker than the original. The i30N gains Hyundai's 8-speed web-type dual-clutch gearbox that also is available in the 2021 Veloster N in the US. Buyers can still get the 6-speed manual also.